We want to identify the largest integer in this list. That's exactly the same as finding the number that's furthest to the right on a number line. Larger numbers are across to the right. So negative 10 is just here. Negative 15 would be to the left of negative 10, it's more negative. 4 is just here. Negative 38 would be a long way to the left. 7 is just here. And 0 is here. So we can see 7 is the furthest to the right, and therefore 7 is the largest. We want to insert one of these symbols between the numbers to make the statement true. This is the less than symbol, and this is the greater than symbol, although all you really need to remember is to put the open mouth towards the larger thing. Think of this as a crocodile's mouth, and the crocodile wants to eat the bigger thing because crocodiles are greedy. So comparing negative 15 and 10, if 0 is here, negative 15 is a long way to the left and 10 is to the right. So 10 is more than negative 15, so the crocodile's mouth needs to face towards the 10. If we now compare negative 11 and negative 4, and 0 is here, negative 4 is here, negative 11 is a long way to the left. So negative 4 is the larger, and therefore the crocodile wants to eat the negative 4. Arrange into ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest. Remember, descending means the opposite, but ascending, small to large. Now we could use a number line to help us with this. So negative 10 is just here. Negative 15 would be further away from 0. 4 would be here. Negative 38 would be way over to the left. 7 would be just here, and 0 is here. So you can see negative 10 and 0 already. So smallest to largest would be negative 38, then negative 15, then negative 10, then 0, 4, and finally the largest is 7. Continue the number pattern, giving the next 3 terms. So the first pattern we have is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. So let's use a number line to help us with this. So we started at negative 3, then we went to negative 2, then we went to negative 1, so it's going up 1 each time. So the next one would be 0, then going up again would give us 1, and going up again would give us 2. We'll use the number line for the second part of this as well. So we started at 10 and we went downwards to 9. We then went downwards to 7 and downwards to 4. So we've gone down by 1, then by 2, then by 3. So next we need to go downwards by 4. So that will take us to 0. Then let's go downwards by 5, and that would take us to negative 5. Then downwards by 6 would take us to negative 11.